Hello beginners, do you also want to speak fluent English but don't know where to start from? Don't worry. In this video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way, the easiest roadmap to learn English. Just you follow me. We are gonna learn step by step from zero level. Okay. So there are 5 steps to learn English. It is for beginners. Okay. The 5 steps. Step number first. Start with basic English. Basic English means the daily usage sentences you should start. Like basic words and daily use sentences that we use in our daily life, like where are you from, what do you do, what is your name, how are you. These kind of sentences are daily used. Okay, so you can use these sentences. This is called, our first step. This is our first step. And the second step is learn daily use vocabularies. Again, daily use vocabularies. You will have to start from daily basis words and sentences that are used in our daily life. Okay. Daily use vocabularies such as go, come, give, get, tell, talk, speak, watch, look. These are the daily uses words. Okay. And the third step, focus on listening. Speaking is not this much important, but listening is really much important, because by listening what we do, we just train our ears, and ears send the messages to the brain, and then brain makes sentences. This is the process of learning. So daily listen, daily what to listen, watch English podcasts, okay, watch English cartoons, watch English, conversations, very simple conversations. And the step number 4, speak small sentences daily. You are doing whatever work, doesn't matter, but whatever you are doing, just speak in English. I tell you how. You are having food. Okay, just if you are having food, you say I'm having food, I'm eating food, I'm taking food. Okay, I'm drinking water now, I'm brushing my teeth, I'm taking bath, I'm dressing, I'm going, I'm walking. These are the sentences. I'm running. Like this sentence you can make in your daily life. Like I'm going to office, I'm getting an auto, I'm getting a car. Okay, now I have come to the office and I start working. These kind of sentences you can make it. These are the daily use sentences. While going, while coming, while doing anything, you can use these sentences. Okay, just you have to describe your own work in your own words. Step number 5, learn basic grammar slowly. Basic grammar you should start, I think, from is, mr, from was, were, from this, that. These are the basic, basic helping verbs. Is, mr, I'm a boy, she's a girl, that's the fan, that is my house, this is my car, he's my friend, this is the board, that's the podium, these are the chairs, this is the mic, this is a mic, this is a camera, these are markers, that's a fan, that is a window. You can use like these sentences. I mean, is, mr, these are the helping verbs. Okay, you can use by making these sentences is, mr sentences. Okay, so this class completes now, and at the end of this I want to say you something else. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Okay, because they didn't get afraid of making mistakes. So you also no need to be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning. Mistakes are the proof that you are learning. So don't be afraid of making mistakes. Make as many mistakes as you can. You will improve as many mistakes you will make. Don't worry. Just making mistakes knowingly. Okay? Obviously, I make you sure that you will improve very faster if you start making mistakes. Okay? So at the end of the video, if you find this video useful, helpful for you, so please subscribe the channel and like the video and comment. What you have to comment actually? You have to comment that I will speak fluently. I will speak English fluently. What you have to say? I will speak English fluently. Put it into the comment box. Okay? Let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep following these steps day by day, day by day. Okay?